Hello, everybody. I'm glad to see you. I'm glad you are here today. So, today we're going to learn a new concept. Are you guys ready? Okay. Say these words after me. Tips, pits, nips. What sound do you hear in the final position of each of these words? I'll give you a second. Yes, the final sound is S. So the sound member S makes is S. Watch carefully as I write the words on the board. Okay. Okay, tips. Pits. Nips. Okay. What do you see in the final position of these words? Yes, all these words have a final position of S. Okay. If the S is taken off, there still is a base word. Remember, guys, we learned that concept yesterday. It still has a base word, okay? It's our base word, and if we add the S, it makes it a suffix, okay? All right. A suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of the base word, like you just seen, okay? A suffix that begins with a consonant is called a consonant suffix. Suffix is a consonant suffix. So the S, okay, like this, makes it a consonant suffix. Okay, so let me give you an example. The puppy nips my heel. Okay, so the word nips, okay, is where you saw the suffix, right? And anytime, okay, so the suffix is in all the word. Okay, so listen. The suffix makes a base word plural, okay? So it also shows third person, all right, as in the puppy nips my heel, okay? The plural means more than, right, one, okay? And singular means one as well, all right? So let's go over our cards, okay? So remember, we learned this yesterday as well, okay? So this is very good, our base word, okay? Our base word. And the base word is a plain word, okay, with nothing added to it. Okay, so remember, let me show you an example again. A base word is like our word right here. Tip, right? Okay, that's our base word. Now, if Miss Sadel adds an S to it, okay, it says tips, and it becomes plural, and it also gives it a suffix. Yes, very good. Okay. Right, let's see if you guys remember this card. Right, okay. This one means it is a suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to the end of a base word. A suffix is coded with a box like this. Okay, remember how Miss Sadel wrote the words and then put a box, okay? Now this is our base word plus a, right? Plus a suffix, very good. So a derivative is a base word plus a suffix, okay? All right, so that's like our word pits, right? Okay, pits. And then today we learned our consonant suffix s, like tips and pins. Okay, it just means more than one, right? All right, very good. Now, because that was kind of a continuance of what we learned yesterday, we are going to work on another concept today, okay? All right, you guys ready? All right, so listen, because you're going to learn a new concept today. Miss Sadel has never taught this before, okay? So I want you to say each word after me. Actor, action, attitude, atlas, and appetite. What sound is the same in all the words? Okay, listen, Miss Sada's going to do it one more time. Actor, action, attitude, atlas, and appetite. What sound is the same in all the words? Yes, ah. Okay, I'm going to write the words on the board. So we have actor. Okay, give me just a second. I'll show them to you, okay? Action. Are you guys hearing the same sound? Attitude. Atlas. Does anybody remember our last one? Appetite. I know some of you guys have a big appetite. Okay, so look, we have actor, action, attitude, atlas, and appetite. Good, okay. So what letter or letters are the same in all the words? Yes, A. Okay, very good. Tell me about the letter A. So I want you to think about the letter A for a little bit, and then Miss Sada will tell you. Okay, the letter A is pronounced A. Okay, and it is a closed syllable. The A sound is open and voiced. Remember how we learned that at the beginning of the school? Well, right after Christmas. Okay, so it's opened, ah, and voice. Okay, you can feel it when you go ah. You feel the vibration, right? Okay. Let's talk a little bit about our new words that we see. Okay, actor. Does everybody know what an actor is? Right. Someone that can act in a movie or An actor could be a story you read in a book. There could be an actor in your book. Yes, we see a lot of actors on TV. Okay. What about action? What do you think action means? Yes, very good. Action is like there's a lot of stuff kind of going on. Like it's exciting. It's like, wow, I just want to keep my eye on it, right? It's action. It's very a lot going on. Attitude. Who knows what attitude means? Yes, it means to be kind of, you could have an attitude about something like, I don't want to do that. Or you could have a good attitude, right? There is such thing as a good and bad attitude. You could be like, oh, I love doing this, or I love doing my chores, or cleaning my room, or whatever it is your parents might ask you to do. Okay, you can have a good attitude. Atlas. Atlas is kind of like a map, okay, where you can see like specific places. Let me show you. You know, Miss Seda loves to show you things. Let me show you what an atlas looks like. Okay, let me pull this up on my phone for you because I want you to see. I love when you guys get to see visuals because it helps you. And I know I like to see pictures of something too if I'm not quite sure what that means. Okay, hold on. So it is kind of like a map. See, here's an atlas. I don't know if y'all can really see, that's kind of blurry. But it's like kind of, can you see, it's like a map almost of like all the things and places around the world. Can you kind of see it? That's like an atlas. Okay, let's see if I can find you another picture. Sometimes you might see it like this in like a world map. Okay, kind of see the different places. That's an atlas. Okay, and our last word is what? Appetite. You guys know what that word means, right? Some of you guys have a really big appetite. That means your little appetite, you're hungry and you have a good appetite, means you can eat all your food. And sometimes when we're sick, we could have what? A bad appetite, right? Because our tummies don't feel good. Okay. You guys did awesome today, and I'm so proud of you. Now, we are going to do a story, okay? So I'm going to read you a story, all right?